Welcome to Moodle 2. Once you've logged into Moodle, you'll notice that you now have a My Home page. This page is completely editable by you as well as your students. What you see here is unique to you. The first thing I want to talk about here is the settings block where you can edit your profile. So we're going to come over here on the left. We're going to click on Edit Profile. And then from here, you get all of your basic information. First name, last name, your email address, which is set by the school. Email display, do you want other course members to see your email? Do you want everyone to see your email? Or do you want to hide it from everyone? How do you want your email to be done? Do you want it in HTML format or just text format? Email digest. This is how your forum posts and other things you're subscribed to come to you. You can either do no digest, which is every forum post you'll get an email for. Complete, which is a daily email with full posts, which is the one I recommend. Or subjects, which is a daily email with subjects only. So then if you want to read one of the posts in full, you then have to get into Moodle to do so. Forum auto-subscribe. Do you want to automatically be subscribed to forums once you post to them? Forum tracking. This will highlight the new posts that you haven't read yet, so that way you can keep track of what you have and haven't read. When editing text, generally you always want to use your HTML editor. You want to leave your Ajax on. If you need a screen reader, you can turn that on here. Put in your city, your country, preferred language. This should always say English, United States, EN-US. This will keep you from having spellings that are Australian spellings or British spellings. There is also Mexican Spanish and International Spanish, so if you need one of those are also available to you. Then you can add a description, so basic information about yourself. You can choose a file and add a picture and put a little description of the picture. And then your interests, and you want to enter your interests in with commas between each interest. These are basically put in as tags, and so people with similar interests will be posted. Then you've got optional information that you can put in there, your department, your phone number, and then your address if you want to put it, and you can also put in your office location if you're an instructor. And again, this is all optional information. You don't have to put any of this in. If you're a student, you can put in your student information. What's your major? What education level are you seeking? When are you planning on graduating? All of that sort of thing. So once you get all of your information in there, you update your profile. You'll see your information in here. And if you put a picture, you'll see your picture. And I mentioned the interests in here as tags. Notice these are all links. And so if I click on one, it would show me all of the users that have that as an interest. And right now this is a very brand new server, so we don't have anybody in here yet. So that's how you edit your profile. If you want to view your profile, you come up into the navigation block and click on View Profile. It'll give you essentially the same screen as after we've finished editing it. Another thing to look at in our settings, under My Profile Settings, is change your password. Periodically, you may want to change your password, and you can do that by clicking the Change Password, putting in your current password and then your new password twice. Save your changes, and then your new password will be in effect.